model chosen to make this recipe is the cooker CT30EIA with CKC electronic control panel that, among the various functions, also provides the ability to store data on an external unit thanks to the special key available among the options. For this recipe, the recommended mixing tool is the type CO01. We turn on the main switch and press the start button to set the machine in on mode. With the Programs button, we search for our recipe among those entered, which in this case corresponds to number 98. At this point, we can begin to introduce the first part of the ingredients, 1/3 of the sugar and the egg yolk. By pressing the start button, we set the machine to start working. The panel alerts the operator that it is necessary to introduce the ingredients provided by the Phase 2, in this case, the flour. Phase 3 requires the insertion of the remaining ingredients: milk, remaining sugar, vanilla, and lemon. We recuperate the products that may be present near the vat edge and let the machine complete the third processing phase. The parameters of speed, temperature, and duration used are those provided by the program entered. However, it is always possible to intervene manually to modify them during recipe execution. The final phase, E, provides in this case that cooking stops and that the mixing continues for another 15 minutes to refine the consistency of the product. Remember that it is always possible to intervene manually in the parameters, as in this case. For example, to reduce the time remaining until the end of the process. Once the cooking is finished, we open the safety grid, we remove the lid, and proceed to unload the product. It's to be noticed that the cooking method DeDanieli leaves no burning on the inside walls and no sticking of the product on the bottom. We place the custard in suitable containers and we pass them in a blast chiller to ensure perfect preservation. The excellent result obtained reveals the quality of the ingredients used. In this case, the bourbon vanilla seeds are a guarantee of extraordinary taste that first passes before the eyes and then reaches the palate.